Shuangli Wetlands Nature Center serves to introduce the nature resources of the Jinmen area. The first floor introduces the historical background of the Guningtou district, as well as cultural and geographical changes, as well as Jinmen's geological, soil, and water resources. Forest and bird life are also introduced, with birdsong played, so visitors can feel they're in the forest. Of special interest is the basement floor, which is in the middle of a lake. From the windows, you can view lakebed creatures and aquatic plants and learn about Jinmen's tidal belt, as well as the lakeside habitat. Bird species that live in the ground and creatures of Jinmen such as horseshoe crab, lancelet, and the Chinese white dolphin. The landscaping and oral environment of the museum create an effective display. In addition, Guningtou's Shuangli Lake lakefront is Jinmen's largest wetlands, with the Shuangli Pearl a landmark of Guningtou, representing that Jinmen will never perish.